In this tutorial, we'll explore three key components of the Oracle AI Data Platform: the Master Catalog, the default workspace, and compute resources. As a new user, understanding these areas gives me a practical foundation for getting started in AI Data Platform. The Master Catalog shows me where data and metadata are managed and organized. The default workspace where projects can be built, and compute provides the resources that run my workloads. I'll start on the home page with the Master Catalog. The default catalog found within the Master Catalog is a built-in standard catalog that includes reserved system content. It's best suited for testing. For day-to-day work, I can create and use my own standard or external catalogs. I'll open the default catalog to review the default schema and the OCI AI model schema. I'll open the default schema, where I can create and organize assets for testing, including tables, volumes, and machine learning models. In the OCI AI model schema, I can see pre-trained OCI Generative AI models that my account has permission to access. By selecting a model, I can view code samples of how to reference it in a notebook using SQL or PySpark. Next, I'll look at the default workspace. In AI Data Platform, a workspace is a secure, isolated environment, a private sandbox containing my data files, notebooks, workflows, and compute resources. The default workspace is created automatically when an AI Data Platform instance is set up, allowing me to get started immediately without additional configuration. I can use the default workspace to get familiar with AI Data Platform features, build early prototypes, and start with a consistent baseline for permissions and resource organization. For developing projects in AI Data Platform, I can create isolated workspaces so that their resources are isolated from one another, and teams can work without interference. I can select the Workspaces menu to configure permissions, to control which users have access and what actions they are allowed to perform, such as creating files, running workloads, or administering the workspace. Finally, I'll look at Compute. Compute refers to the clusters that provide processing power for the workloads in my workspace. The default Master Catalog Compute cluster is present in all AI Data Platform instances and handles essential platform functions like search crawls and refreshing catalog objects. I can create all-purpose compute clusters to run my workloads, attach them to notebooks, and use in workflows. I'll select the default compute to review its details. In the Details tab, I have the option to adjust the OCPUs for this compute. I can also check the event log, monitor metrics, and permissions. Now that I reviewed the Master Catalog, the default workspace, and compute, I can get started in AI Data Platform. I can organize and locate my data in the Master Catalog, work in the ready-to-use default workspace, and choose the appropriate compute clusters to run notebooks and workflows. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle AI Data Platform in the links below.